And let's talk about our next theme. It is additional data and additional attributes. Please open one document. I open client soda 1. Choose the bookmark attributes, and first of all we need to find the differences between additional data and additional attributes. Let's start with attributes. The additional attributes are kept in the object, in bookmark attributes. Additional attributes is the part of the object because they add new properties of the document. Also, the attributes are available for editing by users that have the permissions for this object. Additional data is not an integral part of the object because they contain the information about the object. We also can see the additional data in separate form of the document. We need to click more actions, document, and additional data. Now we see that additional data is empty. Usually additional data is available for viewing or editing by users that haven't got the permissions for this object. Let's create a new internal document type. Reference information, document types, internal document. It is administrative document. Create and write vacation order. Vacation order use due dates, and we don't need to tick the other strings. Now save and close. And now let's create a new additional attribute for our new document type, vacation order. Please don't worry that the strings are in Russian. If you open the strings, all texts are in English. We need to open internal documents, vacation order, and press add new. In description write the officer, employee, or staff. I want to write officer. Value type is the user. Visible always, available always, must be filled always. Save and close. And let's create a new vacation order. Create vacation order, create vacation order 1. And now we see that the system add a new bookmark properties, and it is mandatory for fill, and we need to choose our officer that will have the vacation. Show all. Maybe we want to choose the Peter Smith accounting. Done. Save and close. And now let's create a new additional data. I think the manager wants to know, did the employee read the order, familiarize with it, and go to setup and administration, additional data, choose the internal documents, vacation order, add new, and in description write read the order. Value type is boolean. Yes or no, true or false. OK. Save and close, and go back to vacation order, document internal orders, vacation order 1, open the vacation order, more actions, document, additional data, and now Peter Smith isn't reading that document, and he didn't do it before. But for example, 5 minutes ago, the Peter Smith read the document and she opened the additional data, press value, yes, save and close, and now the manager see that the Peter Smith has read the document, has read the order. Go back to the internal documents or document types, create a new group of documents. This is the documents, support service documents, support service documents. Save and close, and create a client satisfaction. Client satisfaction. We need to tick account for counterparties. Save and close. And now we need to create a new additional attributes with value type number, additional attributes, internal documents, client satisfaction, add new, description, in description write mark, and in value type I need to choose the number, length 1, precision 0, non-negative. OK, must be filled always. Save and close, and let's create a new client satisfaction. Internal documents, I think that the client satisfaction is background documents, or we can create a new folder, support service, create a folder in the root, support service folder, support service documents, service documents, save and close, and create a new client satisfaction, create. We need to select the counterparty, the hard steel, description of the document is client satisfaction 1, client satisfaction 1, and the system doesn't let us to save the document because we need to fill the mark. Let's take the 5. Now press save, and we see that the bookmark property have our additional attribute mark, and we can edit this from 0 to 9 because the string has the length only one symbol, only one digit. Take 5, save. Let's create this new additional attribute, but firstly we need to create a new incoming document type, reference information, document type, incoming document. We have a complaint, it's good. Go back to the additional attributes, additional properties of incoming documents, complaint, and additional attribute names reason for complaint. Complaint, add new additional value description reason for low mark, must be filled always. Values, create. We need to save, create description, bad client smooth, on full planning of the work, and that's all. 7 close, 7 close. I think we should rename the reason for low mark into complaint, the reason of complaint, reason of complaint. Seven close. Name 7 close, and we can add these attributes from additional attributes of incoming document into the additional attributes of our client satisfaction of internal documents client satisfaction. Add from another set, choose our complaint, make a copy of the attribute according to the template, next, and in description write reason of low mark, must be filled always at the condition. For example, if mark and we also see the little sign, the user attribute selection attribute additional attributes. Choose mark, composite type, compression type, fill, and for example value is 5. For our company 5 is the low mark. Okay, done. And if we go back and create a new client satisfaction, create client satisfaction 2, counterparty hard steel, properties to choose a mark, and reason of low mark. For example, unful planning of the work or bad clients was I think the first. Select 7 clause. So we consider the additional data and additional attributes, create additional data and additional attributes, and work with them.